Need to send money to friends or family instantly without cash or checks? If you're not using Zelle, you're missing the fastest way to transfer money. Today, we're setting up Zelle in your Chase account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Zelle is built directly into Chase's online and mobile banking, letting you send money to anyone with a US bank account using just their email or mobile number. Step 1. Find Zelle in your Chase account. Log into your Chase mobile app or online banking. Look for Zelle in the main menu or under Pay and Transfer. Click Get Started to begin enrollment. Step 2. Link your phone or email. You'll need to verify your US mobile number or email address. Chase will send a verification code to confirm it's really you. Once verified, you can start sending and receiving money immediately. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: only send money to people you know and trust. Zelle transactions are instant and generally cannot be reversed once the recipient has enrolled. Treat it like cash, only use it with people you know personally, not for transactions with strangers or online sellers. So, just like that, you can split bills, pay back friends, or send gifts instantly. Using Zelle goes a long way in making peer-to-peer payments effortless. Now I'm curious, who was the first person you sent money to with Zelle? A family member, roommate, or friend? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.